Here we have a 70 plate BMW X5 XDRIVE 45E M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the Arctic grey exterior paintwork. We have the gloss black grills and front splitter, 20-inch alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We also have the twin axle air suspension, so the vehicle can raise or lower. It's currently set to the lowest setting. Up top you'll find we have the rear spoiler. We also have the roof rails as well. Got the dual legs exhaust with the rear diffuser, power operated tailgate as well at the back. Apologies about the sunlight. Taking a look at the interior, you'll find we have the leather seats. We do have the foldable armrest in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. Up top you'll find we have the panoramic glass sunroof with the Sky Lounge. You may be able to see the LEDs just there if the camera can focus on them. We also have the ambient lighting and electric windows on the doors. Same leather seats for the front, both front seats are being heated. There's a quick look at them. They're also electrically adjustable. The driver's side having the memory function, Harman Kardon speakers. We have the automatic lights down here. Multifunctional steering wheel which has paddle shifters either side. Put my foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle starts up. Steering wheel is also electrically adjustable. We do have the cruise control and speedometer buttons here on the left, as well as the phone connectivity and volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard, free from any warning lights other than for the fuel level, so nothing to worry about. We then have the heads-up display just up here. If it's flickering or any of the lights or screens flickering, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life. We've got the main infotainment screen, plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. It's currently showing the sat-nav. We do have the intelligent safety, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. We also have the climate control down here, which has the heated seats either side, and also the ice cold air conditioning, all working as it should do. Cup holders underneath there with the wireless phone charging, with the automatic gearbox of course, which has the different drive modes. If put it into reverse, you'll find the reverse camera along with the 360 view on the right. We also have a 3D view where we can go all the way around the vehicle, 360 degrees with the 3D model, and as you can see each camera angle works just as we make our way around the vehicle. Putting it back into park by pressing P, we then have the electric handbrake, we have the air suspension as well just here, as you can raise or lower the vehicle. And then we also have the armrest just here, which can be opened up for extra storage. This vehicle also has over £6,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. That's all I'm going to show you today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next to delivery is available. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW X5 XDRIVE 45E M Sport. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you expect it to. As you can see, not to fire at the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel, which has the cruise control and speedometer buttons on the left. We also have the phone connectivity and volume buttons on the right. We are just approaching the junction now, so we're going to slow down. Put our right indicator on, make sure it's safe to turn right, and then pull out, continue on our way, get up to speed nice and smoothly with the automatic gearbox. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do also have the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel if you want to stick the gearbox into manual mode. Now we have plenty more features throughout the interior. Got the leather seats for example, really comfortable, could easily do 2, 3, or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats being heated, perfect for the cold winter mornings. We also have the panoramic glass sunroof up there with the Sky Lounge, ambient lighting running all throughout the interior as well, really makes it a nice place to be. We then have the main infotainment screen that's currently showing the sat-nav. Again, plenty of features on there you would have seen on the photos, for example the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also have the intelligent safety, which makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. Now in a moment we are about to take another right hand turn, so again we're going to put our right indicator on, we're going to start to slow down and make sure it's safe to turn right, there's no cars coming, so we're going to turn right onto Gravy Road, and then I will continue again, start to accelerate, going through the gears nice and smoothly with no issues. We also have a heads-up display just above us, which is currently showing the speed limit for the current road, along with the digital speedometer. We are just approaching the dealership now, so I'm going to take it nice and steady, coming around the bend. And we're going to put our left indicator on as we approach the dealership, slow right down, and then turning left onto the dealership. And it will perform the emergency stop now in 3, 2, and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. Reverse camera appears on the screen with the 360 view. Into drive, change to the front facing camera, as you can see, with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.